Okay, so really recently I picked up a bundle of gaming stuff, and in it was this ZX Spectrum Plus 2A. Don't worry, it was complete in the box and everything. The reason I wanted to do this video today is because I wanted to show you the reason why it's very, very important that you change the cassette belt. Now, in the Plus 2, there's usually two belts because you have an additional pulley over where here is, but in the Plus 2A, there's just one belt, so it's a lot easier to sort out. But I will show you the reason why it's very important to change the belts as soon as you get any second-hand ones, particularly if you think that they've been sat in storage for quite a very long time. And I will have to zoom in on this to show you. And we're back. Now, you can see the whole circuit board now, and you can see everything of all the cassette mechanisms and everything. Now, if you look down here, you can see already that the belt is quite worn down its edge. And that's not a good sign. That usually means, in most cases, that the belt is perished. But to make double sure and also to check the belt, you want to look out for this. Now, when I start turning, you're going to notice something. Now, you see this little lump that's appeared? I'll roll it around so you can watch it again on the other side. Yeah. You see that little lump? That is where the belt has been sitting in that position for far too long. Now, if you started running this machine straight away with the belt left like this, then almost pretty much guarantee that you're going to have serious problems with loading games and they're not going to work. So the only way to sort this is to replace the belt. I think the best thing we can do right now is to take this belt off so we can have a look exactly how badly damaged it is. So if we take a look there, yeah, I mean, it's literally shaped like an egg. That's how long it's been sat there. So we'll just put that aside, and I think we'll replace it for one that is nice and round like this one. So let's replace that now. So super easy with the Plus 2A. You just get it up on the top. You just roll it round. Oh, let's try that again. We won't edit that out because we don't do that here. So just spin it around. Make sure it's going around a few times. And all is well. And that's a job so good one. So next thing we're going to be doing with this one is checking the circuit board, making sure everything works on it, and then I think that will do for this one. And obviously give the other bits like a power supply a clean in the box and things like that. So yeah, that's great. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, and do what you got to do. Take care. Bye-bye for now.